My name is Brian, and I'm new on YouTube, and I'm super excited to start posting videos for you guys. And I don't really know if anybody's watching this right now. Probably not, because it's not really uploaded yet, but it will be, which is what you guys are watching right now. I think. I don't know. I know you guys don't really know me, but I am 8 years old. I love slime and like toys and my family, and I love stuff like that. And I love art. I love coloring, I love drawing, and all that crafty stuff. I love nature. Yeah, I love all that stuff, and especially my family. Like I said, I love them. And today, like I said, I love slime. So we're going to be mixing all my slimes today. And I'm super excited. So let's go. I just need to get my bowl and we will be ready. Sorry guys, if you heard that, that was just the bowl. It kind of fell. It is very dark in here. I will turn a light on. There we go. So let's get started. So I will be back with my slime. Okay guys, I'm back with my slimes. I forgot I don't have a package some. This is more of like sand, but it still stretches, so it's still fun to me. Got this, glittery borax, and this. But I've only got one borax slime, and that's this. But these are all new. This one I just made today, the sandy one. So let's mix them. First one in. Second. And I really want this to be a pretty color, not like a really disgusting color. But yeah, I just want it nice. Here is a really stretchy one. It's a nice teal one. Yeah. Put that one in there, let it sink. Now I'm going to put our white one in. This one's new. I made it yesterday. It's very stretchy and really fluffy. Now I'm going to put this little blue one in. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. Guys, you know what I really feel weird about? Mixing slime already, and this is my first video. It's weird. Sorry guys, just ignore the background noises. That is just my TV. You know what I feel like? People have like borax behind the scenes of their slimes when they say there's no borax. Because like they say, we're gonna put this in the fridge for like 30 seconds and all that stuff. And different stuff like that, or microwave for 30 seconds and stuff like that. And I feel like they actually just put borax. Oh my god, it's all over my shirt! Alright, let's mix this first and then I'll go change my shirt. I love this slime. It's like super stretchy and I really don't want to like ruin it. Like It's so pretty. I made it at my friend's house a few days ago. It's like so pretty and I love it. I just don't want to. Oh, and the best part about it. Here we go. Oh, this is heavy, guys. I don't really know what I'm going to do with this. This sand is hard to like, or whatever you want to call it. The purple and white is like taking over. This is all like taking over. Oh my gosh. Now like the pink is taking over. I don't know. Pretty hard to like mix once it's with your hands. This is like so much. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did this. And I'm gonna make a slime video on like how to make these slimes, not borax slime, because yeah, I just don't want to. I will be back in 2 seconds. I make so much slime. Okay. Alright guys, I'm back. This is actually a really ugly color. I didn't like. It's not even a color, one color. It's just like all different weird colors. But the purple is beautiful, and it has red on the other side, so that makes it beautiful. But still, I'm still saying. Alright, so I'm gonna wash my hands. I'll be back when that's done. And change my shirt. Wait, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So give me a thumbs up. And I hope this video gets to 5 million subscribers. So, or 500. No, not 500. 5 million subscribers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below if you've ever mixed your slimes. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you soon. Bye.